everyone, welcome back. We're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn, or I will share to you, what's the best free conference call service app that you can use for your video or voice conference in your Windows, your Mac, and iPhone, as well as Android devices. Okay, so let's get started. So please open first your favorite browser that you have. So I will open Google Chrome, and please visit google.com. Once you're in google.com, please click on the search tab there and search for Blue Jeans. I'm sorry, it's Blue Jeans app download for Windows. And from the search results, you will see this first one, which is from bluejeans.en up to down. So please click on that, and you will see, or you will be redirected with this website. So Blue Jeans offers high quality video calls from your PC, and you can get the latest version by clicking on this blue options here. So click on it, and you will see, or you can read the information about the Blue Jeans, its license, its op system Windows, and the category, the language, the author, as well as the size. It's only 26.4 MB, the permissions, the downloads, and the date, as well as the file type. So by clicking this download button here, this green one, click on download to get the file and find it in your browser's download folder and open it to start the installation. So once downloaded, please just continue installing it in your device, and you will be able now to use Blue Jeans as your video or voice conference service app. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.